Alright guys, welcome once again to this channel. This is Alfredo Keys. So today we have a very simple tutorial. This song is from Mama Esther, Many Yehowa. It was done in the key of E flats, but I've transposed to F, so I'm playing in F. But it was officially done in E flats. So let's start with the intro. Mi re mi do ti la so. Mi re mi do ti la so. Now you go to so fa so mi do mi re do re. So fa so mi do. So fa so mi do mi re do re. And then mi re do ti la so. So fa so mi do mi re do. So now with the backing, we want to add the backing. This is the root chord for F. This is me. Re. Then to do. So let me play it here. So let me add a backing. So it is do, mi, re, do, mi, re, do, mi, re, do. That's the backing. So that's the intro and the backing. Now let's quickly move to the bass lines. The bass lines, it is quite simple. So simply the bass line is like this. This is the pattern. So that's the bass line. From do, you go to fa to do, and then so to do. So do. From do we are going to fa. So do. So do re mi fa to do. Fa. And to so. Do, fa, do. to do, then to so, then so it's that simple. So from do to fa, and then you come back to do, and then to so, you come to do, fa, so, and then do. It's just like that. So let's play with the song. Fa, now to so, now that's do, fa. So do do do, so do do re mi fa fa fa, fa do do re mi do do, so do re mi so fa so la ti do, so do re mi fa 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 do re mi do so do re mi so ti do re mi do. So that will be all for this tutorial and then for this song. If you have any comments, please leave it at the comment section, and then please remember to subscribe if you are new here, and also turn notifications so that you can be notified anytime you post a new video. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you.